Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. This quiz is a multiple choice test. There are 5 possible answers. There's only one correct answer that satisfies the question.
The active form of jasmonate is A. Jasmonic acid, B. Methyl jasmonic acid, C. Jasmonic acid isoleucine, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 2. JAT1 transports Ja across the A. Plasma membrane, B. Tonoplast, C. Cell wall, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 3. Jasmonates can affect A. Seed germination, B. Pathogen resistance, C. Plant-to-plant communication, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 4. Ja facilitates the interaction between COI1 and A. Jas proteins, B. JAT proteins, C. ZAP proteins, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 5. Linolenic acid in the blank is the precursor to jasmonic acid. A. Plastid, B. Peroxisome, C. Golgi body, D. All of the above, E. None of the above.
In the next video, you will see the answers to this quiz. Have a great day.